Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well. So, topic here we will discuss about the chemistry as a career in the industry. So, many of the people just think that by studying chemistry, we have a very less number of careers in the different types of the industries, but that is not in reality a true thing. Basically, when we are going to study the chemistry, one can be the first thing which is called as the professional chemist, and he can studies the composition, the properties of all the available chemicals that are present in the industries. So first of all, the one thing that we need to develop it is the methods, that how we can use the different types of new methods for the preparation of the different substances. And the one way we have to choose the method which is mostly cheaper and used for the production of the different chemicals at commercial scale. So this is the one thing that we have to induce in ourselves, and how we can meet up the needs of the different societies. So the chemist can also be able to design and develop the different types of the instruments and the different types of the techniques that are used for the production of the more economical products on commercial scale for the need of the society. So we have a lot of careers in the chemistry by studying different branches. The first one branch we have the organic chemist. Then we have it's the second branch which is the inorganic chemistry, and by studying the one can be the inorganic chemist. The third one is the physical chemist, and the fourth one we have it is the analytical chemist. Along with we have also the biochemist. So a lot of careers we can have in the chemistry. Now, what are the main works of all these chemists? Let's have a look on it. The first one we have the organic chemist. Now, what is the work of the organic chemist? Basically, these chemists have their opportunities in the pharmaceutical industries. Now, the pharmaceutical industries are the industries that are going to prepare the different types of the drugs and different types of the medicines. On the other hand, they can have their careers in the petroleum industries. They can have their career in the petrochemicals products. They can have their careers in the cosmetics because a lot of organic compounds are used for their production, and they can have their career in the polymer as well as in the plastic industries. So all these industries just give a way to all the organic chemists for the betterment of their industry, for the better yield, and for the cheaper methods, and for the great production of their different compounds at commercial scale at no cost, or we can say that at very low cost. Now, let's have a look on the second chemist, which is the inorganic chemist. So, inorganic chemists are going to basically work in the metallurgical industries. They work in the industries that are known as the metallurgical industry. Now, what is the work of the metallurgical industries? These are basically the different manufacturing industries, like they can be textile industries like this. There, where is the production of the fiber and different types of the clothing or textile products. On the other hand, they may have the work in the cement industries, they may have work in the sugar industries, they may have the work in the different chemicals production. Now, what type of these chemicals may be? They may be the fertilizers, they may be the acids, and they may be the different types of cosmetics, as well as they may be used for the production of the caustic soda. So inorganic chemists have a lot of work to do or have a lot of fields in which they can examine their expertise in a better way. Then we have the third form or the third field, which is a physical chemist. Now, what is the work of the physical chemist? Basically, they have their working opportunities in the energy transformation industries. On the other hand, they can also develop a new and a better way for the energy sources. So they can explore many renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources. And what are they, Kiwi? It may be the wind power, it may be the fuel energy, it may be the electricity that is produced by the hydraulic pressure, it may be the use of the solar energy or the work in the solar cell, that how do this energy can be used for the production of the electricity. In this way, they have just to work for the better production of the methods that can transform the energy in one way to another way for the better use. After this, we have the last one career, which is the analytical chemist. Now, what is the work of the analytical chemist? They work almost in all the fields of the industry because their work is to first thing, which is they have to identify the material. After the identification of the material, now they have to measure its quantity, has to measure its quality, and it has to control the quantity and quality of all the products that are prepared in the industries. In this way, they have to evaluate almost the efficiency. Then their work is they have to evaluate the efficiency of all the products and all the techniques as well as the methods that can be valuable for both the industry as well as for the well-beings of the human beings. In this way, they can work in the industries of food, they can work in the industries of the or different factories of the beverages, they can work in the industry of the paints as well as in the industry of the varnishes. So this is the simple scope of the analytical chemist as well. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries, you may ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon. The next topic that we will discuss it is a fire extinguishing method, that how we can extinguish the fire in a better way. For that time, you guys keep learning and have a good day.